In this video, we'll explore how to activate and harness your masculine energy so you can elevate any aspect of your life and enjoy more confidence, determination, and success. Let's begin by talking about 5 ways in which you can develop your masculine energy. First, let's start with competition. Embracing healthy competition not only encourages you to strive for excellence, but also nurtures determination and a strong desire to succeed. Engaging in activities that challenge you, whether it's a sport, a game, or a professional endeavor, is a fantastic way to activate your masculine energy. Remember, it's not about defeating others, but about challenging yourself to become the best version you can be. Let's move on to leadership. Masculine energy thrives when you take the lead. Stepping into leadership roles allows you to make decisions, guide others, and assert your influence. This not only enhances your self-assurance but also sharpens your leadership skills. Whether it's in your personal life or your career, don't hesitate to take charge and embrace responsibilities that provide opportunities for growth through leadership. The third way to develop masculine energy is by taking action. Planning is crucial, but true progress only comes when plans are put into action. Break down your goals into actionable steps and make them a reality. The more you act, the more empowered and masculine you'll feel. Remember, every step forward is a step towards achieving your potential. The fourth way is effort, and it's a hallmark of masculine energy. It's about going the extra mile, especially when faced with challenges. Striving for excellence in everything you do, whether it's your career, your relationships, or personal growth, not only boosts your confidence but also aligns you with the essence of masculine energy. When you consistently give your best effort, you embody its strength. By the way, I want to thank Tish Handley for sponsoring today's video. Tish Handley is the best skincare system for guys like you and me. I recommend you start with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics. A daily face wash to get rid of the dirt and grime on your skin. A 2 times per week exfoliating scrub to get rid of dead skin cells. An AM moisturizer with a sun protection factor of 20 and a PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. My favorite part about Tish Handley is that every box comes with an instruction card that tells you when to use each product, how much to use, and in what order. Members of Tish Handley get tons of benefits apart from having an amazing skin. They get a 20% off the retail price of the products, they can pause or cancel their system at any time, they get free US shipping and a very low cost shipping to most other countries. And because Tish Handley is sponsoring today's video, they have an amazing deal for you. Simply click the first link in the description and you'll get 30% off your first box of Tish Handley plus a free gift like this amazing Tish Handley towel, or you'll also get this amazing bag for your grooming items. So if that sounds great, make sure to click the first link in the description and start using Tish Handley today. The fifth way is spending time with other masculine men, especially men who embody the traits you admire. Qualities like strength, determination, and resilience can greatly impact your own masculinity. Surround yourself with men who inspire you and naturally encourage the development of your own masculine energy. Now, let's dive into specific actions that will activate and amplify your masculine energy. 1. Music and movies. Begin by immersing yourself in energizing rock music. The power of music is undeniable. It can stir your spirit and invigorate your energy. Additionally, consider watching movies like Fight Club or Never Back Down. These films often portray characters who embody masculine traits, serving as inspiration for your own journey. 2. Engage in challenges. Seek out challenges that stretch your limits. Whether they are physical, mental, or emotional challenges, overcoming them has a profound impact on your confidence and resilience. Remember, growth occurs beyond your comfort zone. Embracing challenges not only activates your masculine energy but also propels you toward personal success. 3. Seeking discomfort. A good example are cold showers. They might seem horrible, but they are an effective method to awaken your senses and cultivate mental resilience. The shock of cold water triggers alertness in your body, and mastering the discomfort reinforces your ability to confront adversity. cold showers are symbolic of your capacity to endure and thrive in discomfort, making them a potent tool for activating your masculine energy. 4. Independence. Foster your masculine energy by engaging in activities on your own. Whether it's traveling alone, exploring a new hobby, or embarking on an independent project, these experiences nurture self-reliance and amplify your masculine energy. Embracing independence reinforces your sense of capacity and self-assurance. 5. Sports or business. Participating in a physical sport or starting a business venture are both avenues that demand determination, strategic thinking, and the ability to conquer challenges. Engaging in these pursuits not only enhances your physical and mental attributes but also amplifies your masculine energy. These endeavors cultivate discipline, resilience, and a sense of achievement that align perfectly with the essence of masculine energy. Activating your masculine energy is a continuous journey. It's about adopting these practices into your daily life. Over time, you'll notice an increase in confidence, assertiveness, and mastery over your life's trajectory. I want to thank Tish Henley for making today's video possible. I really love Tish Henley because it has helped me to have amazing skin and I feel really attractive when I look at myself in the mirror. So if you want to have amazing skin and feel attractive as well, make sure to click the first link and start using Tish Henley today.